Okay, Dalton, tell me who that girl is.
Abby White.
And who is she?
She's my girlfriend.
And what did you just tell me?
Isn't it just November 10th or?
What?
What did you just tell Daddy that she thinks about you?
She loves me
And why is she your girlfriend?
because she just hooked me into that. I don't know she loves me.
And what do you think about her?
What do you think she is? I think I gotta marry her.
Why? Because why?
Louise.
Because why?
Because she likes me.
Is she pretty? She's your little girlfriend?
Yeah, like she's that big.
Was she a Smurf?
Hi. And she's that big.
Okay.
Like.
Are you going to a birthday party on Saturday?
Yeah. Like.
No kissy kiss, eh?
Yeah, I'm gonna keep an eye on him.
What?
What?
Dalton.
No smoochy smoochy then. Yeah. Smoochy smoochy. No.
Not that hot?
Yeah.
You better not. Her mom's gonna put your lights out.
I'm going to marry her. But I'm gonna give her a kiss when I marry her.
How you gonna kiss her? Show me.